Welcome to Action SAT. My name is John and we'll explore what's on the SAT and the general SAT score guideline. The SAT is comprised of 3 tests: reading, writing and language, and math. For reading part, we have 65 minutes and 52 questions, which means you have approximately 1 minute and 15 seconds to solve each problem. We face several passages that can be of literature, science, social sciences, or history. The key to success in reading is the ability to track the evidence in the passage and understand the context. Writing and language has a time limit of 35 minutes and a total of 44 questions, and you have about 47 seconds for each problem. Writing and language is mostly about grammar and English usage. The key to success in writing and language is the ability to add the English structures better. While reading is about context and evidence in the passage, writing and language is about proofreading and editing according to the context. Math is the longest and you have 80 minutes with a total number of 58 questions. But the math section is broken down into 2 parts. You have one 55-minute calculated section and one 25-minute no calculated section. You'll be asked about algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and data-related problems. Now that you are introduced to the SAT format, let's talk about the SAT score. The SAT is out of 1600 and the minimum score you can get is 400. As of 2020, the average SAT score is 1051. But this does not mean that you did well if you get over 1051. If you are aiming for competitive schools like the Ivy League, often the average score is above 1500, which is extremely competitive. According to the College Board's SAT scores report, the top 81st percentile received 1250 and the top 90th percentile received 1350. It means you need to get at least 1350 to get into top school, and many state universities will accept the top 81st percentile score or 1250. So I would suggest if you are aiming for a top school like a top 50 US News ranking schools, set your goal of getting at least 1350 on the first SAT test. Then you can improve your weak areas and improve your score moving beyond 1500. But if you aim good state universities like Arizona State or Penn State, getting above 1350 will ultimately be enough. So as you begin to study for the SAT, the first thing you need to do is find out what is covered in the SAT and get familiar with these topics. And at the same time, find the average SAT scores of schools you are applying to. Find the SAT score of both dream schools and safety schools. This way, you can position yourself and improve your SAT score smartly. Hope you found this video helpful. Smash the like button and subscribe to this amazing channel. Good luck with studying for the SAT.